So if you follow our channel, you know exactly what this is. This is the LHT intercooler for the Jackson Supercharger. We have started building these again, and it's kind of sparked new excitement from our customers and excitement from us. We're going to be doing a build on one of these in the future. So I'm constantly looking for better options, better products to make not only more power but more reliability and a much cleaner look. The LHT 70mm throttle body package, bracket, cable, direct bolt on your supercharger manifold, whether it's the LHT intercooler or not. This is a direct bolt on. Much easier, much cleaner. Cable fits perfect. It's got proper feel. The pulley works properly. It doesn't have that weirdness. It doesn't have the cable going straight up with the bracket. This is like perfect geometry for the throttle cable to work exactly the way it should. And it's a true 70mm. You can see the difference of the S-tube size versus the 70mm throttle body. Now, when you choose the LHT intercooler package, we port the S-tube to match this throttle body to get the most airflow possible. So some of the features of our throttle body. One is its OE quality. It's not the bulky billet one that looks like it was made out of modeling clay. It looks and feels like OE quality. It's got double bearings in here. It's not going to stick. We have a steel pulley that's nickel coated, and it has the steel stop right here. So when the throttle body is returned, it's not using a soft aluminum piece here that's going to get worn by this throttle stop. It's actually a steel piece. Throttle body sticking is usually caused from the plate returning past the throttle stop, and the plate will actually jam in the housing itself. By using the steel pulley, we're going to prevent that. It's not going to happen. We have the LHT Billet anodized aluminum bracket here, puts the cable in exactly the right position. We're using an OEM cable. Everything here is designed to be top-notch. We're not trying to build just another problem. We're trying to fix the problems and have a clean bolt-on solution. Some of the key features of the throttle body. First off, as you see where it's bolted to the throttle plate, these are actually peened over. So you're not going to worry about those bolts backing out and getting sucked into the supercharger. They're peened over so they cannot back out. Also, for more airflow, as you see, the shaft here is contoured to the throttle plate. It's actually milled down, so we've got more airflow here. We don't have any turbulence from that throttle body. Much more airflow, much cleaner throttle blade for the airflow to travel past. Our throttle body is designed to have the cable pulling from the correct orientation. Now you can see the fitment here. We have a lot of room for this end tank. Even without the LHT intercooler, this cable would typically come straight up here, and there was a bracket here supplied with the kit. The cable would come straight up and have to make a harsh bend, or it would rub the hood. By positioning it this way, it's a much flatter, lower profile. It doesn't run into the hood. This cable can be a much softer bend, which makes the cable operate better. And it also has a much smoother travel. Now, most of the time when you see the throttle body, the cable is coming straight up here. Some of them have a little bracket on here. Some of them actually go around a pulley, and it causes problems, makes the throttle cable stiff. It's not an ideal solution. Everything gets kind of cluttered here. But by running the LHT throttle body a bracket, it cleans all this area up. Super easy installation. So $299. That's it. Throttle body, bracket, cable, stainless hardware. All you're going to do is add your TPS. It's even got the stainless hardware to hold that on. It's ready to go. We're going to pre-adjust the throttle body. It's going to be ready to install. It couldn't be any easier. $299. Go ahead and email me. This is for B16, B18, Type R. It's not going to fit the LS. This is for the VTEC B-Series supercharger kits. Some exciting things are coming. We have a few things going on in the background. We've done some 3D modeling right here. You guys know what this is. We used to have a much better version of this that was hand built. We're hopefully taking that to the next level. A quick preview of what we're working on is a much better S-tube. I'll show you that in the next video. We're still testing that. We're going to have some airflow testing, some thermodynamics, and to play with the actual air turbulence, what it looks like inside that S-tube. Stay tuned. Don't forget, subscribe. See you in the next video. I'm John from LHT. Enjoy your supercharged cars.